your lungs if you're ready to die tonight for what you believe. What's going on? Where have all our voices gone? And why are we afraid of words like war? Need I remind you that we are an army and armies engage? Yes, armies engage when the threat is too much to ignore. Sounds like we should sound the alarm. Scream at the top of your lungs if you're ready to die tonight for what you believe. Time isn't on our side, never on our side, never has been a friend of mine. So just scream with me if you're ready to die tonight for what it is you believe. Don't look now, but somehow our worst enemies have found their way inside these walls we've made. These are the moments that define us as cowards, are meant for the valor. So shut up and fight, and don't let them know you're afraid. I'm not one to lay down and die. Scream at the top of your lungs if you're ready to die tonight for what you believe. Time isn't on our side, never on our side, never has been a friend of mine. So just scream with me if you're ready to die tonight for what it is you believe. Scream at the top of your lungs if you're ready to die tonight for what you believe. Time isn't on our side, never on our side, never has been a friend of mine. So just scream with me if you're ready to die tonight for what it is you believe. My hat goes off to you. It must be hard to choose between what you should be and the coward that just comes so naturally. So many wasted days. Just sit back and watch the second-hand erase the chance to change what's wrong with this place. If you want empathy, you won't get none from me. We will be the last one standing as your empire falls. The evidence is clear. It seems you live in fear of moving out from underneath opinions that you hold so dear. And the boys that stole the show coat your hand to gold. Never mind that all the while the world was dying now. Tell us what we want, tell us what we need, as we supply your lust for greed now. We will be the last one standing as your empire falls away. 100,000 hours and you're already in the middle of a storm. Where you gonna go? Don't be fooled. I know you're tough, but you won't survive even